Are you up to? Here's your hand, and see your hand again, huh? Is that what you came down here? I came down here for you. Just look at my hand or what? Yeah, I kinda wanted to take a look at your hand before I went back up to my place, so that's what you came down here for. Yeah, I kinda wanted to. I'm really concerned about you are. Kinda bad. Sorry, I'm taking up your time. I just wanted to see it, huh? Need to say this all the way for you. I don't like what you see, but very well. Jesus, you're all bruised up. Gosh. Told you I wouldn't like to see it. Jesus. I told you wouldn't like to say it all the way for. Yeah, right, I don't. So, what are you gonna do? I don't know. What do you want me to do? I don't know. It's brilliant too, really. I mean, your friend. She's just standing up there. How long has she been up there? I don't know. Help! What's that? That was very flashing. How long have you been trapped in there? Couple hours, probably. Where are those new ponies up there? And the new ones? Yeah, who are they? One's Butterfly Lily and the other's White Rose. Oh, really? Where'd they come from? It's hard to explain. They don't know where they came from. But they remember their past, so do they really? Right, so, well, if they remember their past, then I don't know why they don't remember where they came from. You can't be getting sick. No, it's just, a little cough I had a minute ago. Doesn't sound like that to me, Emily. Sounds like you're, getting a cough or something. No, I guess I kind of, I'm sure Burley will like it, but, do you need some water or something? I guess I could use it. Well, I could doctor up and get you some water. Can't believe you're getting, what? Here, I'll get you some water. Sorry about this. Oh, Vibrant. Oh, you caught me. What are you doing with the water? Just, getting someone something to drink. Not that you'd know, but You just coughed. Just your friend down there. She's sick. Kinda, yeah. She's coughing down there. So I got the water. You're telling me she's sick. Yeah, that's why she's coughing. Gosh, darn, you really are coughing. Stay down here. Guys, did you hear that? Yeah, we hear it. He's coughing. Jesus. Looks like our leader's down there, but what's going on? I don't know. Anyways, it doesn't sound good. Doctor, you're needed now. Well, we have a major problem. Who's coughing? Who made you wake me up? Someone's sick. It's you, Emily. No wonder you're coughing, and no wonder I got woken up by that snake up there. When did you just start? Did you just start coughing a minute ago? Oh dear. So you just started, huh? You had your dinner yet? No. Is anyone down here? No. Girlie's down here. Well, that's good. Well, I can say this. Eat your meal here. And just go directly to bed if you use the restaurant. And who are those new ponies up there? Yeah, I don't remember right. Oh, that's Flare Shiner. And they're trapped in the gas room. You're king right now, your cough does not sound well. Really? Hi, doctor. Your girl does not sound good. She's not very tomorrow. I don't know what will happen, but I'll check on her in the morning. See how she's feeling, and if she feels fine, she can do whatever, but if she's not, then I don't know, but we'll see how she's feeling, but right now she's not herself, so I don't know, but you better take good care of her tonight. We'll do things. No problem, Emily. Yes. Feel better, will you? I'll check on you in the morning. Okay, I'll do things. Yeah, no problem. Did little Viper just give you some more? Yeah, she did. That's good. Emily, yes. Make sure she gives you more for bed. I'll do. Good night. Me too. Feel better, by the way. Sorry this had to occur yet again. Poor Emily. Oh, Viper, thanks for coming to get me. No problem. And another thing. Yes, keep giving me fluids, will you? Will do. Good night, good night. Emily. I'm gonna shoot that later. Very well, yeah, later then. And shoot that later. Very well. I'm gonna finish this thing just so. Stay there. Poor girl. And then looks like you got company. Poor girl. Feel for Emily. There's something. Cold. Emily, I think you're getting company. She's moving closer. I think she's really concerned about you, Emily. Poor girl. It's like she's really worried about you, Emily. Can you guys please be quiet? We're trying your best. Very well. Yeah, guys, hush it up there. Emily. Yes. Good night's sleep, girl. Ready to chill. Feel better in the morning. Wake up for your breakfast. And you know, good sleep too. I'll stay by your side. Okay, good night, good night. I love you too.